How to unlink a Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can unlink our Epic Games account from Rockstar, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games, there are two things I want you to try. First thing, go to epicgames.com and make sure to log into your Epic Games account. Once you log into your Epic Games account, you can just click the profile icon here, and then you'll find this option known as account. Make sure to click on account from Epic Games page. Once you go to the account tab, what you want to do is on the next page you'll be able to see all the sorts of options. Well, what you need to do is on the left hand side you'll see this option known as apps and accounts. So all you have to do is now just go to apps and accounts button. As you go to apps and accounts, if you're lucky you'll find the Rockstar Games app or account over here, and all you have to do is simply select that account and then you'll be able to find the disconnect option. Now just in case you don't see it, what you can also do is go to support.rockstargames.com instead. Once you go to support.rockstargames.com, just hit the social club option here. Once you hit the social club option, hit social club account. Then after that, just select account linking. Once you select account linking, over here make sure to enter your social club ID, which is your Rockstar Games nickname. In the description box, just let them know that you would like to unlink your Epic Games account from social club, and to be precise you can also give them your Epic Games email address just to make sure and let them know that this is the account you want to unlink. So how can you go about that? Once you do that, you can just hit the submit web ticket option, and then you'll be able to unlink your Epic Games and social club account. This way you'll be able to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.